Now the fifth property of substances is density. The property of density is because of mass of the substances. A substances with greater mass has greater density. A substances with greater mass has the greater density. See here in the picture have the two blocks of same size. One is wooden and other is of iron. Are weighed in the balance. How would they compare? The mass of different substances having same volume can be different. Okay, their mass is different. This difference is because of the difference in their densities. Okay, between the substances of the same volume, the one with a greater density are heavier than those of the lesser density. So that is called the density. Now the next property is solubility. The property of substance to get dissolved is called solubility. The substances that dissolve are called the soluble substances, and those that not dissolve are called insoluble substances. Okay, so here they shown one activity. We have to take a glass of water and add some salt, fine sand and sugar in it. Okay, and try to dissolve them. Now repeat the same procedure but replacing water with kerosene. So now we have to take the kerosene in place of water, and again we have to add salt, fine sand and sugar. Now some solid substances dissolve in a particular liquid. If a solid does not dissolve in a liquid, it is said to be insoluble. Okay. For example, salt is soluble in water but insoluble in kerosene. As you know the many beverages means that drinking substances. So the property, so they are using water. They made by using water and soluble substances. So the property now So the property of substances getting dissolved is called the solubility. Understood? Now the next property of substance is transparency. When we can see through any substance, it is said to be transparent. This ability is called transparency. For example, glass, clean water, plastics. Okay, so these are the example of the transparent substance. So that is the property called the transparency. Identify the objects shown in the figure from which substances are they made. Why are these substances called as a group? See here we can observe that here they shown the pictures of gold is there and iron bar is there. So that is called the metals. Substances like copper, gold, iron, aluminium are called metal. Metal are found in the form of minerals deep inside the earth. Minerals from the earth crust are processed to obtain the metal. In daily life, metal have various important uses. So now let us study some important properties of metals. So let's see the first property of metal, that is malleability. The property of metal to be converted into sheet is called the malleability. See, on hammering repeatedly the wire becomes flat and it form a sheet. So metals converted into sheet. So that is called the malleability. Okay. See here they taking the piece of copper aluminium wire and after hammering it convert into sheet. Second property of metal is see, ductility. So what it is? Ductility. The property of metal by which they can be stretched and drawn into wires is called the ductility. Means we can remove a small wire. Okay, so that is called the ductility. See, hot iron is hammered and made into thin sheet. Okay, as we observe the blacksmith, then they hammering and it cause into stretching. Iron bars made to revolve continuously while being hammered become longer. The iron can be drawn into a wire. Metals can be stretched and drawn into wire. This property is called the ductility. For example, silver, gold, copper, platinum can be drawn into fine wires. So see here one question are there. Why are electric boards fitted on the wall made of plastic or wood? As it is made up of the plastic or wood, so because of that what will happen? The current will not pass through the plastic or wood. So we can save from the electric shock. Because of that reason, that electric boards fitted on the wall made up of plastic or wood, as electricity cannot pass through it. Then again one question, the handle of cooker is made up of plastic. Why? The same reason, as through the plastic the heat cannot pass through it. Heat cannot pass through the plastic, the handle of the cooker. So then pan also, the handle of the pan also, okay, it is made up of the plastic. So that is the reason. So to avoid the burning, the handle of the cooker is made up of plastic. So the third property of a metal is electrical conductivity. The property to carry electricity is called electrical conductivity. All metals are good conductor of electricity, showing that electricity flows through metals. Okay. Fourth property is thermal conductivity. The property to carry heat is called thermal conductivity. All metals are good conductor of heat, showing that heat flows through the metals. Pluck the string of a musical instrument like tanpura or veena. Ring a bell or hit a steel box with a metal spoon. As we observe, these all things are made up of metal. So the ringing sound is produced. Okay. Now strike a wooden table or a marble floor with a wooden. Now note the difference between the sounds as previous and now. So what you can observe, there is a difference in their sound. So metal produce a ringing sound. So this property is called the sonority of a metal. So that is one property of a metal only. That is the ability to produce ringing sound is called the sonority. Understood everyone? Now the last property of metal, that is characteristics, color and luster. All the metals have characteristics, color and luster which is the specific for each metal. Yes, color of the copper is different, gold, silver, iron. So according to their specificity, they have their color or luster. So that is also the property or characteristics of metal only. So there are some points we have to keep always remember. During the rainy season or at any other time, do not touch the exposed electric wires or metal parts. Okay. Then keep all electric lamps or other appliances switched off when not in use. For example, even when the TV is switched off by remote control, do not forget to put off the main switch. Means we have to off the main switch also. It helps to save electricity besides protecting us from any possible danger. Ask your seniors at home to check the electric wiring and fittings in the house periodically. So, for our safety, we have to keep these all points properly and we have to follow these points properly. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's parts. I think everyone have understood this chapter number 5. So that is what? Substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. So in that lesson we have studied about the states of substances. Okay. Then their properties of a substances. Then we have discussed about the properties of metals also. So here we conclude the lesson number 5. Everyone read out the full lesson properly. Write down the new words in your CW 5 times and complete the all exercise questions from your notes in your CW. Understood everyone? This is all about the today's parts. Okay. Thank you.